Today I'll show you how to make Pina Colada cocktail. Hi guys, my name is Zaistis from Miami to the world. Welcome to my channel. Today I'll show you 3 amazing variations how you can make an iconic, very well known dessert cocktail, Pina Colada. Most of you know this cocktail because it's really very well known in the world, and there's a lot of variations of this cocktail. There are a couple of stories where this cocktail might come from, but most likely this cocktail came from Puerto Rico. There are a couple of stories written there, and Puerto Rico even has this cocktail as official cocktail of Puerto Rico, so it means a lot. And today we are going to explore it. I'll show you only 3 versions, even there's like million of versions of Pina Colada and million different really interesting, nice and tasty variations. So let's go to the first one. First version of our Pina Colada today is quite a traditional one. Even I'm going to make and show you my twist on it. It's how I've been making Pina Colada for many years, and a lot of people loved it. A lot of people said that this is the best Pina Colada that they ever had in their lives. If they say so, there might be some truth in that, you know. This time I'm going to make it a bit different, just because I'm not going to use a syrup from the shop. I'm going to use my own coconut syrup that I made, and I have to admit this is the first time I'm going to make my Pina Colada with my own homemade coconut syrup. And if you want to know how to make coconut syrup, just check out this link and let's make this cocktail. I'm going to serve it in this a very nice wine legless glass. This looks nice for Pina Colada, and we're going to shake this cocktail. We're going to shake, show all our energy to the cocktail and to the guests. So let's get some ice into the shaker at first, and let's make our Pina Colada. First ingredient is going to be light rum. I'm going to use Bacardi, Puerto Rican rum. Actually, it's not Puerto Rican. It's Cuban rum, moved to Puerto Rico, but as this cocktail is Puerto Rico national cocktail, we are going to use this rum. 1.5 ounces. Second, our ingredient is our famous coconut syrup that I just made a couple of days ago. I'm really excited to use this for the first time because it tasted very nice as a syrup. I just want to taste it in the cocktail, and I'm going to use 2/3 of an ounce. Third, our ingredient is coconut cream, not milk, cream, because my Pina Colada is a little bit more thicker. It's really dessert cocktail. And I'm going to use 2/3 of an ounce of this cream as well. And the last ingredient is pineapple juice. If you can juice fresh juice, it's even better. As I always say, fresh juice is the best, but I don't have a juicer at home how I can squeeze pineapple, so I bought this 100% pineapple juice. I believe they might be good as well. And we're going to use 3 ounces of these juices. Now, love, passion, energy, everything in the shaker. Straining some water if there is some. And now bartenders dance with a cocktail. Whew. Some more love. Now we're going to strain everything to this nice glass. I'm just going to put some more ice in there. And let's strain our Pina Colada. And we have a beautiful white cocktail, only missing some nice garnish. Garnish is going to be quite simple, but also very beautiful, very tropical, and very nice. I'm going to use like a triangle shape of fresh pineapple, putting it like that straight into the glass. 3 pineapple leaves, and these are not the most beautiful ones because when it's really hot we really go bad very fast, but there is a trick how to use them and how to make them look nice. Follow me. You just cut both sides. Now it stayed a very nice pineapple leaves. And now we can use them for the cocktail. You can use it either this side or either this side, just doesn't really matter. We're going to put behind pineapple, and of course I believe we are missing a nice cocktail cherry as well, and some environmentally friendly straw. And our first version of Pina Colada is ready. Cheers guys! Second, our Pina Colada variation today is going to be very interesting. It was really a discovery for me just a month ago or even less, because it's not going to be similar to Pina Colada in the consistency of ingredients, but it's really very interesting because we are going to use avocado, we are going to use tequila, we are going to use lime juice. So it's not a bit, it's really more far from the original classic Pina Colada, but it's very interesting variation, and I could say that could be my favorite Pina Colada variation today. Let's get to the business and let's make this Pina Colada version today. We could call it Ava-Colada, and we will need a shaker as well. We'll be shaking all the ingredients, and the first one is avocado. We're going to use half avocado straight into the shaker. Second ingredient is fresh lime juice. We're going to use half lime, or around a half ounce of the fresh lime juice. So usually it's half average lime. We're going to use agave, half ounce as well. Maybe a bit more, I like it sweeter. And coconut yogurt. We are going to use 3 bar spoons of this yogurt. Now I'm going to muddle everything. And I'm going to add my last ingredient, 100% agave tequila. And now I have to give it a good shake with a lot of ice, love, passion and energy as well. And I'm not going to strain it because it's really thick. I'm going to make a dirty pour. Just pour everything straight to the glass. It's very full. And as it's green already, I'm going to garnish these coconut flakes, or it's not flakes actually. They are leftovers from the syrup that I made and I used in the previous recipe, but I always try to be sustainable and reuse and use everything what I can. So I dried these and I have these nice flakes. Now I can garnish my cocktail with them as well. And our Ava-Colada Pina Colada is ready. Cheers guys! And the third version of our Pina Colada is going to be blended. It's going to be like a sherbet, and I'm going to serve it in this nice coconut that stayed for me as a leftover when I was making coconut syrup. So I like to be sustainable, you know guys, So this is going to be a very nice glass for serving our cocktail. And we're going to pour everything straight into the blender. And this twist of Pina Colada is going to be spicy banana Pina Colada. First, our ingredient is going to be not a light rum this time, but this time we are going to use dark Jamaican rum. Even this cocktail is Puerto Rican, but this time it's going to be Jamaican. We are going to use 2 ounces of Jamaican plantation rum. Into the blender, I'm going to use half fresh ripe banana. I'm going to use 2 wheels of fresh jalapeno pepper. I'm also going to use coconut syrup, homemade, but I just made a couple of days ago. I'm going to use 2/3 of an ounce. And I'm going to use 3 ounces of pineapple juice. Everything is into the blender. I'm going to give just a quick blend everything here. And now I'm going to add some ice and make it like a sorbet. Cocktail is done, nicely blended. You can see it's thick, smells very nice. And now I'm going to pour everything in this coconut shell. I have double left, so it's double size. Now some nice exotic garnish. And for that, I'm going to use some dragon fruit, even if it doesn't go to the cocktail, but it's very nice to garnish if you have it. It looks exotic, it makes people happy, they like cocktail more because of the exoticness of all the cocktail itself. Again, 3 leaves of pineapple, made nice. Of course, we can add something more, like jalapeno pepper, because it's inside. Put together. And I love these small dried bananas, so I can't skip this opportunity to add them on my cocktail. I love them very much, so I'll add a couple of them on the cocktail as well. And of course, environmentally friendly straw. And our spicy banana Pina Colada is ready. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you liked it. I hope you got inspired by creating these amazing Pina Coladas here. Look how beautiful they are. I love Pina Colada just because of its look, because it's so exotic cocktail. I mean, there's a lot of exotic cocktail, but Pina Colada is the most popular, and it's like always make people smile. And I had so many interesting stories with Pina Colada when people think that it's a girlish drink or something, but once I had a group of really biker guys who drink Pina Colada with the biggest smiles in their faces. So it's not girls drinks, it's anybody drinks who like exotic tropic and who like something sweet, and most of us really do. And even if you like spicy, you can have a spicy Pina Colada, and it's beautiful as well. So thank you guys for watching this video. I'm really happy to share my experience with you. Please show me some support. Subscribe my channel, like this video, share it with your friends, and I'll share more amazing recipes with you. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in next videos. First ingredient, light rum. We are going to use